Hey Mama Strong, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best versions of themselves with affordable beauty. Today's video is a little bit different because we're gonna do a fashion haul actually, but I did ask a lot of you on my Facebook page if you guys wanted to see this haul, and you said yes. I waited a month to get this to Hawaii, and I was thinking of not doing this video, but you know what, let's do it. Okay, this is my Asos. This is my end of summer. Yes, this is my end of summer Asos and Papaya haul. So this is my end of summer fashion haul. Let's get started. Like I said, I got these items. I ordered these items a month ago and I only got it now. I already wore one item, but the rest I didn't. So I'll have like a little try on haul on the side so you guys can see how it looks like, but I'm just gonna dig in. This is the first item. It's actually a romper, so that's why it's an end of summer haul, right? This is how it looks like. It's very frilly and girly at the end. You see all these frills. I really like it actually, and it has a belt that closes up like this. It's so cute. This is in size UK 6, US 2, and European 34. So that's my size, I guess. And it's really cute, you guys. You will see when I wear it. It's actually really similar to this Papaya's romper that I'm gonna show you later, but I mean it's different colors, I guess. And then this one, I had a vision of how I'm gonna wear this, especially for school pickup, right? So this is like a shirt dress, like a button-up shirt dress. It's a little wrinkled because it's been out for a bit, but because I wasn't sure if I was gonna film it or not, but I am filming it, I guess. I really like it. I don't know about the arm part. It's kind of tight, so I might have to just always like fold it up like a quarter sleeve type of thing, but I really like it. That's also a size small. Next thing is this raincoat. There's like every now and then there's like a little drizzle when I drop off Bella to school in the morning. Sometimes even when I pick her up, it's like drizzling. Sometimes it pours. That's when, you know, if you watched my my Mama Strong, very first Mama Strong episode about how I almost lost my phone, but I found it. That was pouring rain. Anyways, so that's why I got this. This is actually a rain coat by Adidas, which we love Adidas brand. This was originally $120, you guys, and I got it on sale, so I'm pretty stoked about that. This is also a size small, and yeah, it doesn't have a pocket. That's the only thing about it. Like, I wish it had a pocket. Oh, it has a pocket like up top here, but not like a going on pocket. Yeah, it's actually pretty deep, I guess, because it's a raincoat, so it only gives you one pocket up top, or maybe it's just a design, I don't know, but you know, that's the back. It's really cute. And actually the hood has this little, like, you know, like when you wear a mask and you can shape something into your nose. Yeah, it has that on top, so it's very good. And the back has like the little mesh thing in the back. It's really nice. So that's that. And then next thing is actually a bodysuit. I did try this on. It's actually really nice also. So this is like a beige look. This is by Weekday. It's also in size small, made in Bangladesh, and it has like this ribbed style to it. It's very nice, and of course it's like the closure is clasp. That's the only reason why I would get it. If it doesn't have that, I would not buy it. Anyways, and then the last Asos thing, last but not least, is actually a set of two, but I already wore the black one a couple times actually, so this is the white one. But this is just a regular tank top, right? You see like a really like low cut. Sorry about the lighting, it's changing a little bit. And then the bottom actually has like a scoop here, so like it goes a little lower in the bottom, and it really hides your mom tom. So that's why I got it. I really like it actually. Even if I wear like a low-rise jean, low-rise denim, I can wear that. But I was thinking of just wearing the shirt on top and wear that underneath, and like wear those like what is it called, bike shorts, and you know, my chunky my chunky sneakers, and yeah, that's what the look in my mind, but we'll see if it looks good on me, because that's on my mind, and sometimes it doesn't look good when you actually wear it. The next thing is actually this. I totally forgot what this fabric is called, but it's really like a Chanel-esque type of fabric. This is from Papaya. So this is how it looks like. It's actually a skirt, so you can see it's almost a skirt, but in the back is actually a short. I really love this material, you guys. Papaya is like a brand here in Hawaii. I'm not sure if it's local or if there is a Papaya in the mainland, but I know Papaya is here in Hawaii. This is like the brand that I've loved ever since high school. Actually, one of my high school friends introduced Papaya to me, and then I've loved it ever since. I was really skinny, you guys. Like, I was 62 pounds in high school, so I was really small. So Papaya is like the only place that had like things that actually fits my body, like makes me look good, not like a child, or you know what I mean, like a petite person, right? So ever since then I've loved Papaya, and I'm so glad that they're still around. Like, I think there's a very few Papaya places left. So yeah, anyways, the mall that's like the closest to where I live now has Papaya, so very happy about it. Look at the shorts. It has those detailing, like it's perfect for the holiday. It has like those glitters on it. Woo! I love it, you guys. I love it. Sorry about the lighting. And last but not least, I also have worn this already. This is the other romper that I told you looked like the black one, but this doesn't have a... Wait, is this a romper or a dress? It's actually a dress. Sorry about that, but it's almost as like the very similar to the romper one. This has the frill in the bottom too. Actually, when I went to Papaya, I saw it on the mannequin, and I was asking the associates like, where is that, because I want that. So then she gave it to me. But anyways, this is size small. Also, the back has this little like ruching here, like to make it scrunch a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty much the same material as the Asos one, but this is a dress. It's a little short, so I feel like I'm only gonna wear that when my husband is around. If you know what I mean. So anyhow, yeah, so that's pretty much today's haul, Mama Strong. I'm sorry it took forever, but like I said, I got it FedEx. Okay, so the thing is, Asos sent it to me like I ordered it like a month ago, right? And then Asos said, okay, it will arrive at your place on September 15. And then, oh no, October 15. And I'm like, okay, cool. Wait, what month is that? Okay, September 15. Yes, September 15, because I ordered it in the beginning of September. I said, okay, cool. Then I waited. September 15 comes around. Then Asos was like, oh, write a review. How was your order? I'm like, I haven't received it, right? So yeah, and then there comes the time. I waited, and then I went on the FedEx website, and then I looked, and it says it's still in transit. So okay, at least it's not lost, I guess. I waited, and it says your order is gonna come to you on October 6th. Then I waited. It didn't come until October 6th. It got to me on October 12th, I believe. So yeah, a month and a half later, and it got here. But I heard that there's a lot of like delays about that on shippings now, but I don't know, I'm not sure. But you know, at least you guys know, you know, my clients that I send, you know, product to, since I am a personal shopper, I send a lot of makeup and other things to my clients in Madagascar, authentic products, so that I, you know, at least I know how they feel when they're waiting. But you know, anyways, thank you so much for watching, Mama Strong. I hope you liked the little try on at the end. Yeah, I'll talk to you on another video. This is a bonus video, so obviously you will see another video this week, or you already seen it. But yeah, I'll talk to you in the next video. Please give the video a like if you do like it. It will help the algorithm on YouTube push out my videos to other viewers, and it will help my channel grow. Also, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Subscribe if you like my content. It will also help YouTube recognize my channel, and know that people like my things. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Talk to you in another video. Bye. Hey Mama Strong, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best of me. But I did ask a lot of you, I did ask on Facebook, on my page Facebook, on